Good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BOYA Mini 2. So this is the second version, and it's an upgraded super mini wireless microphone with AI noise cancellation. So I've been having problems with background noise. So neighborhood sounds, construction sounds, people passing by, people talking, vehicles passing by. And most recently, there's been this outbreak of cicadas, and they can get really loud. So I decided to check this wireless microphone with noise cancellation. So it's made for Apple, MFA, and it's very small and light. So it's 5 grams and it's thumb-sized. And it's got true AI noise cancellation with up to 40 decibels of reduction. And it also claims that it's got studio quality sound. So here are the features. 5 grams thumb-sized microphones for discreet wear. Upgraded AI noise cancellation, up to 40 decibels noise reduction. 48 kilohertz 24-bit audio. 80 decibels signal-to-noise ratio. 120 decibels max sound pressure level. It's got a limiter and safety trap for distortion-free audio. It has an app for gain and equalizer control. The battery lasts for 6 hours per microphone and up to 30 hours with the case. So let's open it. So we have this safety guide. We'll read this next time. And then a warranty card. It's all in Chinese. And then a quick start guide. So in different languages, so this one's the one applicable. And then we have a soft pouch with a drawstring. The second pack and a USB-C cable. And then we have the case. So it's reminiscent of the Apple AirPods case. You have the BOYA logo, an LED indicator, and the USB-C charging port here. So let's open it. So it's magnetically latched. And then we have the transmitters and the receiver. So they're also held in place by magnets. Let's take a look at the transmitter. So it's very small. So you have the foam here. There's a noise reduction button here. And a clip. Then we have the charging pads here. And yeah, it should connect with those terminals there. And then we have the receiver. It's also very small. So USB-C. Noise reduction button here. and you have another transmitter here. So it's charging. And I think it's done. So this came fully charged. So let's try this. So we're here on the BOYA Central app. Let's connect the receiver. So there it is. So to connect the transmitters, we need to take them out from the case. So there's transmitter 2. And there's transmitter 1. So from here, we can change the noise cancellation level, strong and weak. And then we can also change the recording mode. So in mono, we have the safety track, which is basically the right channel recording at lower gain. And then in stereo, each transmitter gets a channel. Transmitter 2 on the right channel, and transmitter 1 on the left channel. So let's go back to mono. And then we can also mute the transmitters. And then we also have a bunch of other settings here, including the equalizer. So I turn on the fan, and here it is without noise reduction. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would? A woodchuck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would. Let's turn on noise reduction. So it's green now, so that indicates noise reduction. So here it is again with noise reduction on. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would? A woodchuck would chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would. Okay, so here I am in a noisy environment. Let's turn on noise reduction. So here it is with noise reduction on. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the BOYA Mini 2. I'm definitely impressed by the size and weight of this thing, and of course by the noise reduction. So I definitely look forward to using these in future videos. Thank you for watching.